Sri Nyansagar Coaching Classes YouTube channel. To get more video, please subscribe the channel. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, यावर्षी मॅथमॅटिक्स हा जो विषय आहे हा दोन पार्ट मध्ये विभागला जातो. त्यामध्ये पार्ट फर्स्ट आणि पार्ट सेकंड. पार्ट फर्स्ट मध्ये एकूण 7 चॅप्टर्स आहेत आणि पार्ट सेकंड मध्ये एकूण 9 चॅप्टर्स. मॅथमॅटिक्स हा जो विषय आहे हा 100 गुणांचा असतो. आउट ऑफ दिस 100 मार्क्स 20 मार्क्स इज युअर इंटरनल असेसमेंट. ते तुमच्या स्कूलकडे असतात. यामध्ये स्कूल काय करते, तुमच्याकडनं जे वर्षभर ज्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी तयार करून घेतलेल्या असतील, प्रोजेक्ट्स असतील, एक्झाम्स असतील, ओरल्स असतील, या सर्वांचा विचार करून स्कूल आपल्याला आउट ऑफ दिस 20 मार्क्स देते. त्यानंतर 80 मार्क्स जे असतात हे पण स्कूलकडेच असतात, पण याच्यात पार्ट 1 आणि पार्ट 2 अशा दोन भागामध्ये 40 मार्कांचं विभाजन केलं जातं. पार्ट 1 हा 40 मार्क्सला असतो आणि पार्ट 2 सुद्धा किती मार्क्सला असतो, 40 मार्क्सला असतो. तर आज आपण मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट फर्स्ट मध्ये फर्स्ट चॅप्टर सेट याबद्दल माहिती घेऊया. स्टुडंट्स, today we discuss about mathematics part first of the chapter first sets. In day-to-day life, we talk about the groups or the collection of objects. For example, that bouquet of the flowers, then herd of the cows, and flock of the birds, etc. Now, the definition of the set is a collection of well-defined objects is called as the sets. Then whatever objects are present in this set is called as the elements or members. Students, the collection of well-defined objects is called as the sets. Now these sets are denoted by using capital letter. For example, that A, B, C, D, etc. And the elements or the members of that sets are denoted by using small letters A, B, C, etc. Then, if the elements present in the set is denoted by using the symbol belongs to, means that if A is the element of set A, small a is element of set A, we write here A belongs to set A. Or just we have to write here set A. This sign indicate as belongs to. Belongs to. And if A is not element of set A, we write by using A does not belongs to set A. This sign indicate for does not belongs to. म्हणजेच या साइनचा अर्थ होतो belongs to, म्हणजे चा घटक असणे, आणि याचा अर्थ होतो does not belongs to, म्हणजे चा घटक नसते. म्हणजे इथे मराठीमध्ये आपण असं म्हणू शकतो A हा संच A चा घटक आहे आणि इथे A हा संच A चा घटक नाही. ओके, दिस इज द about the sets. We see the numbers of the sets. Let's see the set of the numbers. Now in this first, a set of natural numbers. Student, all of you know that natural number means the numbers which are countable are called as the natural numbers. Now, mean that for example that 1, 2, 3, 4 dash 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 in the infinite numbers are called as natural numbers. So that the sets we write such a way that. Now first we have to denote the set by using the capital letter. Here is the set of natural number is denoted by using capital L. Is equals to, you have to write the set in curly bracket. Curly bracket त्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण मैरपी कंस म्हणतो. curly bracket, curly C-U-R-L-Y, curly bracket, मैरपी कंस. Then you have to separate each numbers by using comma, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash dash dash. There are infinitely numbers, so that this is the set of natural number which is denoted by using n. Can you understand this? Second one is second. is the set of whole number. The set of whole numbers. Whole numbers is denoted by using any another is W or any one as you like. So I have taken W as whole number in curly bracket. Now the definition of whole number is 0 and the natural numbers are called as the whole numbers. So that 0 and the natural numbers. Now you have to write the elements and separate each element by comma. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. and curly bracket is closed. This is the set of whole numbers. Then we have to see about the set of the integers. Set of integers. Now which are the integers? The definition of integers are 0, the natural number, and opposite of its natural number are called as the integers. So integers are denoted by using I is equals to in curly bracket. Here first I write 0, then the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. and the opposite of the natural number means that -1, -2, -3, etc. This is called as the set of the integer and curly bracket is closed. Can you understand up to this? Then we see about the next one is fourth point is we have to denote the Q. Q is set of rational numbers. Now student, what is meant by rational number? The numbers which is expressed in the form of P by Q and where Q is not equals to 0 are called as the rational numbers. I repeat, the numbers which is expressed in the form of P upon Q where Q is not equals to 0 means that denominator is not equals to 0, then the numbers are called as the rational numbers means that 1 by 2, 3 upon 5, 7 upon 12, etc. Now we have to call as a rational number and denoted by using the symbol Q. Okay, then next point is fifth one is R is a set of real numbers. Now first I have to define what is meant by real numbers. Now real numbers means the rational numbers and the irrational numbers are called as the real numbers. I repeat, rational and irrational numbers are called as the real number and the set of the real number is denoted by using capital R. Can you understand up to this? Then we discuss next. Then we have to discuss about the methods of the writing sets. Student, there are two methods of the writing the set. Now first one is the listing method or it is also called as the roster method. And second one is the rule method or set builder form method. Now in this first listing method, now you have to write the element in curly bracket, separated each element by comma, then the order is immaterial and you have to write one element only once. This is the listing method. Means in this listing method, all the elements of sets are enclosed within curly bracket. This is the symbol for curly bracket. Curly bracket Mahirapi goes. Second, elements are separated by commas. प्रत्येक elements असेल, object असेल तो comma ने काय करायचा? Separate करायचा. Third one is the order of the element in a set is immaterial. म्हणजे ऑर्डर ही काही महत्त्वाची नाही, म्हणजे कोणताही अंक आपण कधीही राईट करू शकतो. क्रमवारच आला पाहिजे असं काहीही नाही. पण काय बघा, and elements in even if repeated इज लिस्टेड ओनली वन्स, म्हणजे जर इलेमेंट जर रिपीट जरी असेल तरी आपल्याला एकदाच राईट करायचं असतं. हा झाला रूल कोणासाठी, लिस्टिंग मेथडसाठी. त्यालाच आपण दुसरं काय म्हणतात, रोस्टर मेथड. काय काय सांगितलं, पहिल्यांदा कर्ली ब्रॅकेट मध्ये राईट करायचा, सेकंड कॉमन सेपरेट करायचा, त्यानंतर त्याचं जी काही ऑर्डर असेल, ऑर्डर ही काही महत्त्वाची नसेल, कोणत्याही क्रमाने तुम्ही राईट करू शकता. आणि पुढचं आहे की प्रत्येक इलेमेंट हा रिपीट जरी असेल तरी तो एकदाच राईट करायचा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल द सेट ऑफ द डिजिट इन द नंबर, हियर आय हैव टेकन एनी नंबर हियर, हाउ टू राइट इट्स सेट्स. लुक केअरफुली, सपोज दैट दिस इज द सेट A denoted by capital letter, you have to write in curly bracket. Now each element is separated by comma, the order is not immaterial and the element are listed only once. म्हणजे बघा इथे 2 2 double A, I have to write here only 1, 3 3 also 1 3, then 4 4 1 4, then 5, then 7 and 0, and curly bracket is closed. This is the set of this number 22 33 44 55 and 70. Can you understand this? Then we see the second method. This method is rule method or set builder form. यामध्ये पण काय केलं जातं की जी काही एखादा एक्झाम्पल असेल त्यातला काही रूल काढून घेतला जातो आणि तो रूल आपल्याला काय करायचा आहे, राईट करायचा. तो कसा राईट करतात ते बघा. इन दिस मेथड द एलिमेंट्स आर नॉट लिस्टेड, म्हणजे एलिमेंट्स हे राईट करायचे नसतात. द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द सेट आर डिस्क्राइब बाय द स्पेसिफाइंग द प्रॉपर्टी, त्यातला जो काही गुणधर्म असेल त्या गुणधर्माच्या साहाय्याने आपल्याला राईट करायचं आहे. व्हिच डिटरमाइन्स द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द सेट युनिकली, म्हणजे त्याची काही एकमेव प्रॉपर्टी जी असेल ती प्रॉपर्टी फाइंड करायची आणि ती राईट करायची. Here is we take one example here. We write this example by using these two methods, means that listing method also and rule method. Student, take in your mind, if you have take any example, you have to write in both these methods. Write in both these methods. Now, first we take one example, the set of odd numbers. Look carefully, odd numbers from 1 to 10 is written as follows. फर्स्ट वन इज लिस्टिंग मेथड. या मेथडने आपण पहिल्यांदा राईट करूया. सेटला आपण काही पण नाव देऊया. सपोज दैट सेट A. You have to write the set in curly bracket. Now only the odd numbers, means here is the odd numbers in between 1 to 10 are 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, and the last one is 9. Curly bracket is closed. This is the set of listing method, set A. Then we write this set in this rule method, means that set builder form or rule method. Now you have to use the name of the set is capital A. Now here we have to describe here specific property of these numbers 1 to 10. याची property काय दिसते आपल्याला? These are the odd numbers which is also less than 10. नॅचरल नंबर दिसताय पण लेस दॅन काय दिसताय, 10 दिसताय. दिस इज द स्पेसिफिक प्रॉपर्टी हियर. यू हैव टू राइट इट इन द सेट फॉर्म सच एज. नाउ लुक हियर, A is the set of x. How to write and how to read it? Look carefully. A is the set of x such as or such that. This vertical line stands for such as or such that. Then x is an odd number. Numbers less than 10. Curly bracket is closed. How to read? Look here. A is the set of x such that. This line stands for such that or such as. X is an odd numbers less than 10. म्हणजे 10 पेक्षा हा लहान अशा या संख्या पण त्या ऑड असतात म्हणजे विषम असते. आणि आपला क्वेश्चन होता की ऑड नंबर्स आपल्याला फाइंड करायचे. मग हा झाला त्याचा गुणधर्म. हा पण असा राईट करतो. इथे ही जी वर्टिकल लाइन आहे ना, ही वर्टिकल लाइन स्टँड्स फॉर काय सांगितलं, सच दॅट और सच एज. सो दॅट आय हॅव राइट हियर फॉर सच दॅट द वर्टिकल लाइन, द वर्टिकल line stands for that or such as this vertical line. Can you understand this? Then we see the practice set 1.1.